Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, if you all like my reading, then please like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so that you get a personalized notification about my channel. Friends, now let us see today what your partner is thinking right now. What is going on in your partner's heart and what is going on in your partner's mind and the current energy surrounding it. Let's see that. First, we will see what's going on in your person's mind. We will see that. At present, your partner is very irritated. Whatever thing is being offered to your partner is not accepting at all. He is completely frustrated and irritated, even though angels are trying to show him what is right and what is wrong. But your partner is very irritated and is not accepting anything in his or her life at present. Your partner is trying to empty all the cups whatever your partner is having, and he wants to be completely clean. He wants to come out clean out of whatever situation your partner is. That's why you can see your partner is emptying those cups, and your partner is at present thinking a lot about money. I think the financial problem also and family problems also, but your partner is thinking a lot about financial issue. That's for sure. Your partner is going through some financial problem or maybe some business or job problem. Your partner is thinking about growing those things in life. At present your partner is thinking mind wise. I am telling my partner what is going on in your person's mind. Because of that, I could say that the person is thinking lot about his business and job. That's the major thinking going on in your partner's mind right now. All this card, temperance, four of swords, and seven of swords, all this shows that the partner is in major healing position right now. Your partner is resting a lot and thinking a lot, like lot of thinking process in a person's mind is continuous thinking only. We all know that na. The person is continuously thinking even when he or she is resting. They are continuously, mind is thinking a lot about uniting with you and what to do and what not to do. But the angels temperance card is coming. The person is keeping a lot of patience right now, because angels are guiding your person to have patience at present, and your person will have patience. He will gain the patience, because if a partner is working a lot on himself, your partner is working a lot on he or she, whoever it is. Your person is working a lot at present, and person is in a meditative mode also and praying also. I cannot rule out that your partner is praying at present, but your partner is praying and the angels are guiding your partner right now. But your angels is giving a healing to your partner, you can say that, because your partner reads that healing right now and your partner is thinking of coming towards you, but you can't see anything right now. I don't see that you're feeling completely blind right now, that you can't see anything what your partner is doing or whether he or she will come. You're completely blind about this, but the angels are telling don't worry, because angels will definitely unite both of you. Temperance cards means when two persons in completely opposite direction also now, they also come together, and is a card of healing also. So I feel that your partner is healing right now. This four of swords completely shows your partner is healing right now. He or she must be bed resting right now, but the angels are guiding your partner to have a patience, and they are guiding you also to have a patience, because patience is needed right now. That's the most important thing right now, patience. At present your partner is very emotional. King of cups, your partner is very emotional and thinking a lot about past, reminding about past. See how your partner is saying into the cup. Your partner is completely thinking nostalgic, and being the Mercury retrograde going on right now, a person tends to be nostalgic and thinks about past partners and past life. This is common in Mercury retrograde. So I think your partner is thinking, he or she is thinking a lot right now, thinking about you, how you used to pamper your partner and how you used to love your partner. All those things are going in your partner's mind at present. And just see angels over here, how they are continuous with your partner. They are continuously guiding your partner. You can see that, because your partner knows what his or her wish fulfillment is. Right now your partner has realized little bit of कि what's my wish fulfillment, what mistakes the partner has done in the life, that your partner is slowly realizing when your partner is reminding about the past and about you. And your partner is in a hangman position. I told you continuously, your partner is actually healing a lot, and your partner is partner is in a hangman position, but some sort of help I see getting to your partner from friends or relatives, or maybe the partner is thinking about the past because of about you, that thing is giving healing to your partner. Your partner is continuously in a healing position and thinking a lot about you, and those memories of yours, the love memories of yours, is helping a lot to your partner in healing. Your partner is going in a major transformation. A major transformation of your partner. His mind is transforming a lot, completely. Your partner is a transformation position, and you can't rule out that your partner must be crying. Your partner is definitely crying at present, but your partner doesn't know right now what he or she should do, so they are sitting quietly, they are not taking any action at present, but your partner is sitting quietly. Your partner doesn't know what he or she should do, because your partner's mind is completely jumbled up right now, so he or she is healing at present. But your partner knows that, yeah, they need to offer you something to come towards you. That an Ace of Pentacles is a strong offer of love I see coming towards you from your partner. Your partner is thinking, but he or she is not taking action. You got me? Your partner is thinking because your partner is going through a transformation. Just see how a partner is crying. When a person is crying and sitting like this, could you imagine that person coming towards you immediately? It will take time, but your partner, there definitely a strong offer coming towards you. I see that a strong offer coming towards you. This is going on in your person's mind. Now let us see what's in the heart of your person. Let's see the heart. Your partner, very nice cards, power card, 5 of cups and 4 of staves. Your partner knew that you both would have made a powerful couple, and you would have set an example if you both have married together or you both have been together. Your partner is realizing this. This is in a person's heart. Your person thinks you in a very high regards, and even thinks of marrying you. Matlab he or she is thinking of marrying you. The person knows that you are the ultimate partner for a long term commitment. Your partner knows this, and your partner is feeling so much guilty. I told you, 5 of cups, completely crying. Just see how crying your partner is crying, feeling guilty, reminding about the past. Your partner is reminding about the past. Same thing in his heart and in his mind. Same thing is going on in your person's mind. Your person is very guilty. When a person is feeling guilty, that person can't face you immediately. He or she needs time to recover from that condition. So your partner is recovering from that condition at present, because gods and angels are guiding your person to heal. Without healing, a person can't come towards you. The person is healing at present, and when your person will heal, you will get 4 of staves, permanent long term relation, 11 card. We say that the permanent relationships card, long term commitment card, marriage, what a happy marriage life, what this is all what is going on in a person's heart right now. A person thinks of marrying you. This is for sure. This is a feeling in the heart of a person. How much a person loves you, that we have got to see right now. First, a person was in a third party relationship, but that thing has completely changed now. Let's see, things have completely changed. First, a partner was in third party relationship, and a person is not happy at all with this third party. That so I can say for sure, person is not happy at all. If your person was in a long term commitment, or your person was in a relationship with other person, or that thing is I see getting over, because the person is not at all happy. A 9 of cups says the person is wants to come into peaceful state, right? A 9 of cups means person has everything, but only cup your person is looking for is you. Only cup your person is looking for is you. But for that, your person needs to come in this 9 of cups position. he or she needs to come in that peaceful position, and your person is working a lot to come in that peaceful position. When a person will come in this peaceful position, you will get your 4 of Spades, your long term commitment. This is how your partner loves you. Now see what's the one more card for love, what the partner thinks of it, what is in his person's heart. You have been waiting a lot for your partner to come. 3 of Spades is a card of waiting and analyzing. Your partner is analyzing and thinking a lot, and you are also waiting continuously for your partner to come back. And but whenever partner tries to come back, or your partner thinks of coming back to you, the third party, whoever he or she is, stops your partner from moving towards you. You can see this, your third person stopping your partner from coming towards you. This is the strong, because of that your partner is not able to come towards you. But when the situation, third party situation, will get completely over, and your person will come in a peace of mind, when your person will get the his or her peace of mind, your partner will move towards you. Then that this third party situation needs to get over completely, and that is getting over in future. And I see some sort of communication coming towards you in future. I see some sort of Prince of Arrows is a card of communication, so I see some sort of communication coming towards you. This is what is going on in a person's mind, in a person's heart. The person thinks of communicating with you, a person thinks of long term commitment with you, a person thinks of long term commitment with you, a person thinks of coming towards you, but a person is being stopped by the third person or third party continuously. Because of that, a person is not able to come towards you. I hope friends you are getting clarity what is in your person's mind and heart. Now at present, heart and mind is thinking in both in same ways majoritarily, but a partner wants to come towards you. Now our current energy of your partner. Sorry friends. Your current energy, your partner is moving out of this rough path. Or you, as you know, your partner is going through some rough path in his or her life. Your person is going through some rough path in his or her life. But that person is trying to move away from that situation. The current energy is that the partner is trying to come out of that rough situation in his or her life. And you can see that there are so many problems in your person's life. A person is healing, crying, in a lot of frustration. Let's see so many frustrations a partner has, but definitely a partner will come out of this situation also, because 6 of Wands shows me that your person will victoriously come out of this situation. This is a card of victory, permanent victory, and your person will permanently come out of this situation. Yeah, let's see, your partner thinks of coming back to you for 6 of Cups. 6 of Cups is a card of reunion, or person, you can say a person coming back to his past partner. You see a person offering you something. I see a strong chance of a person coming. Just see, the doorbell rang, and I think this is a confirmation from the God and the universe. Your partner will come back to you. But at present, your person is going through a major transformation. The person is going through a major transformation, and I think your partner will come back to you. I got a confirmation from universe. Yeah, continuously that your person is healing at present. A person is not in a good state. A person is going through a bad health at present, and there is a lot of discussion going on in a person's life, in the family. Lot of discussion is going on in the family at present, and courthouse. Maybe a person is thinking of divorce proceedings or some court proceedings with a third party. This is a courthouse. This kind of thing I see in your person's life going through. I think so. A person is going through some divorce, or maybe thinking of finding a divorce, or thinking of separating legally from the third party. This kind of things I see in a person's life. Hope friends you got some clarity what's going on in a person's heart and mind, and what the current situation of your partner. If you like my reading, then please like and subscribe. Thanks a lot.